I'm going to do a recording to show you potentially how to troubleshoot if you get this when you try to play your game. It says all compare errors have to be fixed before you can enter play mode. And then, yeah, if you have no idea what's going on, let me explain a little bit potentially to hopefully help you find an easy solution. So this is a project made by another student in the past, and she got the same thing, and she got blocked and couldn't submit her project and export it. So what happened is when you download a different asset from the your asset store, you have lots of different things, and since all the things that share and posted on in the asset store might be from different version, and maybe there's like script that is written by different people, and they maybe accidentally create a name that should not be defined the same. So if you download too many assets, it has a higher potential that you might got a conflict because maybe the different scripts share the same name, so Unity just kind of couldn't process it. Okay, so how to troubleshoot this potential issue is when you get this compare error, try to go click on the console and see what is causing the errors. And of course, they're hard to read, like you're so confused what's going on. So try to find the red one. If you have like lots of yellow, those are just kind of warning. It's not really going to affect anything. You can hide that. And here you can see ignore the things on the top. But here what I can potentially fix is you can see this this is causing error. Is this GUI texture is obsolete? Okay. And they couldn't be find whatever that GUI texture here, so Unity won't process. Okay, so the easiest way, of course, if you can actually find it and fix it, good for you. If not, we'll do the easy way, is try to just get rid of these two things that is causing the error, the force reset.cs and simple activator menu.cs, which is in your standard asset utility folder. Okay, so let's open our project folder. Okay, so let's see. I already have my project folder open, like here. So this folder. So find your project folder and find your asset, standard asset. Okay, asset, standard asset, utility. Okay, and I already highlight the two script is causing the errors. Okay, so the force reset. The meta is just like something common with this, so I'll delete both of them together. And simple active menu. So these are the two scripts that is causing the errors. If you want to be safe and you don't want to delete anything, what you can also do is just drag this to, place it not in your asset folder, okay, or you can create a new folder called removed, okay. Okay, so this will be fine. As long as it's not in the asset folder, it won't cause the conflict. Okay, so let's go back and find our standard asset, utility. Okay, and it's the, okay, I have to find it again. Force reset, force reset. Okay, this two, and the simple activator menu. Okay, so this two, let's just drag it and then put it in the remove folder. Okay, so if you found you need it, you can still access it later. Okay, but now those two files should no longer in your standard asset folder, which is the important thing. Make sure it's not there anymore. Okay, so I think it's not there anymore. Okay, so let's hit play and test it out. Yay! So yeah, it's just really that two script is causing the error from us to use the FPS controller. So just simply remove those two, so it's not like creating any conflict, and we will be able to play and activate our FPS controller. So hopefully this is the case. If you run into any computer error, just go into the console and potentially find what are the scripts that are causing the conflict, and just pick them out, move them out of your asset folder, and hopefully this will solve your issue.